In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autoplace fields in Docusign templates in just 3 easy steps. Setting up autoplace fields can significantly streamline your document workflow by automatically placing signature fields where you need them. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's begin by heading over to the Docusign website. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, and then you'll be taken to your Docusign homepage. This is your hub for managing all your templates and documents. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to select the template you wish to work with. On your Docusign homepage, you will see a section where your templates are listed. Browse through and click on the template that you want to modify. Once that's done, you'll see a detailed view of the template. Here is where you'll add the necessary details specific to this document and its recipients. With the details added, click on the Next button. This will take you to the page where you can add and configure fields. On this page, you'll find various options for customization. Look for the Signature tool on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This allows you to drag signature fields onto your document, but for autoplace fields, we'll need to go a bit further. The next thing you should do is select Location on the same sidebar. When you click on Location, you're telling Docusign exactly where in the document the field should go. This can be precise, even down to the pixel if needed. It's your way of saying place the field here. Finally, to utilize the autoplace functionality, click on Autoplace. This is the handy tool that automatically places the fields in predefined locations in your document. It relies on tags or markers in your document like keywords or symbols that Docusign recognizes and uses as cues to know where to add the fields. This saves you a ton of time, especially with large documents. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up autoplace fields on Docusign templates in just a few clicks. Setting them up can help you ensure your documents are consistently and quickly prepared for signatures. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to make the most of your Docusign templates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.